Hello friends, this is Node Chat application tutorial series with MongoDB database. And under this part, we will cover front-end code for send chat message. In previous part, we have make chat area under this chat application. And under this part, we will make JavaScript function using fetch API for send chat message. So for this, we have goes to chat.html file, and under this file, we have goes to JavaScript code part. And here, we have make one JavaScript function with name like send chat with two argument like element variable and receiver user ID variable. So this function will send chat message data to server. Here we have create one chat message element variable is equal to document.getElementById function. And under this function, we have to write text area field ID, type chat message. So here we have store this field property data under this variable. Now under this function, we have to write chat message variable is equal to chat message element dot value property. So here, we have store chat message data under this chat message variable. After this, we have to write if statement, and under condition, we have to write chat message variable value is not equal to blank. If this condition true, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block, first we have to write element.disabled property is equal to true, so it will disable send button. Below this, we have to write form data variable is equal to JavaScript object, and under this, we will store chat data in key and value format. In first key, we have to write sender user ID, and in value, we have to write user data.id variable. So here, we have store login user ID data under this key. In second key, we have to write receiver user ID, and in value, we have to write receiver user ID variable. In third key, we have to write message, and in value, we have to write chat message variable. So here, we have store required chat data under this form data variable, and now we want to send data to server. So here, we have to write constant response variable is equal to await keyword with fetch method with two parameter. In first parameter, we have to write /send chat routes name. And in second parameter, we have to define fetch API different option. In first option, we have to write method, and here, we have to write post, so it will use post method for send data. In second option, we have to write headers, and here, we have set JSON content type. In third option, we have to write body, and here, we have to write JSON.stringify function. And in argument, we have to write form data variable, so it will convert data into JSON format, which will be sent using fetch API. Now we want to pass server response JSON data. So here, we have to write constant data variable is equal to await keyword with response.json function. So here, it will receive data in JSON format from server, which is store under this data variable. After this, we have to write if statement and condition, we have to write data.success. If data has been received from server, then it will execute if block of code. And here, first we have to write element.disabled property is equal to false, so it will enable send button. Next we want to clear value of text area field, so here, we have to write chat message element.value property is equal to blank value, so it will clear text area field value. After this, we want to display submitted chat message under chat conversation area. So here, we have to create one chat conversion element variable is equal to document.getElementById function, and under argument, we have to write division tag id chat conversion. Now here, we have to write chat conversion element variable dot inner HTML property is equal to chat conversion element variable dot inner HTML property, and after this, we have to call sender message template function with 5 argument. In first argument, we have to write chat message variable. In second argument, we have to write user data.image variable. In third argument, we have to write user data.firstname variable. In fourth argument, we have to write user data.lastname variable. And in fifth argument, we have called getCurrentDateTime function, which will return current data and time. So this code will display last submitted chat message data under chat conversation area. Now here, we have create sender message template function with 5 argument like message variable, image variable, first name variable, last name variable and date time variable. Under this function, we have to write HTML variable is equal to this code. Under this, first we want to display chat message content, so here, we have to write message variable. After this, for display sender user image, so here, we have create one image tag with source is equal to uploads directory /image variable, which will display user profile image. After this, we want to display user first name data, so here, we have to write first name variable. Next we want to display user last name data, so here, we have to write last name variable. And for display date time details, so here, we have to write date time variable. And after this, we have to write return statement with HTML variable, which will return this function output. So here, our front-end code is ready. Now we have goes to server file. And here, we have to write app.post method with 2 parameter. In first parameter, we have to write /sendChat, and in second argument, we have to write asynchronous callback function with request and response variable as argument. Under this function, we have to write response.status function with 200 status code. And after this, we have to write JSON function with success as key and done as value. So it will send response to client. So here, our front-end code is ready for send chat message. Now for check output in browser, here in terminal area, we have run node server.js command, which will start node development server. So friends, here we can see that chat application index page has been displayed. Now here, in login form, we have enter login details, one by one. And after this, we have click on login button, and after click on login button, here we can see that we have enter into chat application. And here, at left side, we can see list of connected user with start chat button. Now we want to chat with this user, so we have click on this start chat button. So here, we can see that chat area has been appear on web page. Now for send chat message, so here in text area field, we have to type short chat message. And after this, we have click on send chat button. So after click on send chat button, here we can see that submitted chat message data has been appear under chat conversation area. So here, we have write front-end code for send chat message to server. In next part, we will show you back-end code for store chat message data under MongoDB chat message collection, so we will be meet in next part.